it's sort of a Christmas miracle. But back in late September, I think it was, I was monitoring the AppMex website for the 1, 2, and 5 ounce Libertads, and I had a feeling that they would open up the pre-ordering round on a Tuesday or a Thursday. I don't know why, but I had my monitoring software on and I was alerted. Sure enough, I can't remember if it was 9 a.m. or 1 p.m. approximately, but um, they opened up the 2 ounce Libertad page and I went in and I purchased the tube, and literally the allocation ran out in less than 2 hours, closer to 90 minutes, and it was gone. I called AppMex support a few hours later asking whether there would be a future allocation of the 2 Onzas Libertads, and they could not confirm whether there would be a future allocation or not. I'm not sure, but given the low mintage, 5,500, I have my doubts whether there'll be any future allocation of the 2 Onzas at AppMex for the 2020 mintage. I usually don't do unboxings. I really don't like them, but given this special occasion, an unexpected surprise in a rather dark year, I decided, or I should say we decided, to do an unboxing video. This is Jefe. She's my chica, and she'll be unboxing this tube of 2 Onzas Libertads. We're wishing you all a happy holiday and a far better 2021.